Then hear me thump him in my face now. Like big man thing, you know.
Mommy.
Because you don't know if it's out to your mouth sometime.
What do I? What do I? What you talk about?
What you mean? But yeah, you're nobody. Yes. What?
Yes,
Like,
I thought.
I never try to disrespect you. You need to stop.
Tia, I thought. Tia.
You thought what?
Tia, I thought you never liked the media.
It's not about liking the media or nothing like that. I love the media. Yeah, I love the media.
So why that try to trick me? Say
Yes, I love the media. You have to play a trick sometimes. You know what time you run trick on people them?
Oh.
Now what time you use style on them, so why me can't use style too?
Tia, you get hype. How you get so hype? I blame them, make you get so hype.
I did hype long time. I did hype long time.
You get hype, Tia.
You never hear say enough to TM people.
Tia, you get hype.
You have to hype sometime.
Tia, you're at 5 hype now.
I am hype.
So you're boss now.
Yes, Jaydenn, you give me a little shine. I'm a thank God feet. So don't try company media come try to disrespect me.
Normally.
Guess what, Jaydenn? Just guess what, Jaydenn?
Guess what?
If you pass the place, I'm gonna pass my place with you because I never try to violate you. I never try to disrespect you. I always give you your flowers.
Lie.
I never try to do that. So stop.
Tia, you get hype, Tia.
Yeah, I see my post up, man. I will go over in page. She post up, man. Baby, time say me.
Tia, no joke me around with that, but Tia get hype. Tia, can I hype now?
No, when you do that now, some people are gonna say, right, fear man, she too enough. Rest like how them not like me already. You know how the media steer already, Jaydenn. I am not hyping or nothing like that. You know, so them are gonna want to find something to bring me down and come talk about say, yo, Tia this or Tia that. You need to do better, true. I'm not
but Tia, for once upon the media, everybody go have something to say about you. But
business, but you can't make people always think the negative side.
Me not make people think the negative side. Where you talk about?
Cause me not, all me talk good things about you.
People don't do that pre-negative about you already, so where you talk about?
What?
People don't do that pre-negative about you already.
Fuck them know me.
Them don't know,
and them a feed me. Fuck them.
Yeah, but me know you, but you're going to hide.
You not even know me, leave me alone.
Me not even know you, but you did, we did in a something. We never in a something.
What kind of something we did in a?
Alright, Tia boy, you get hype now. You get hype now.
Blame me, I see you mix up. Yo, mix
So all along it was tricking me.
I was tricking you. I was
good thing me never fall feet because you look like you'd have run me out of foreign.
Jesus peace no, hey.
Good thing me never fall feet.
Yeah, you know some is a nice person.
I mean, I get the green card, I know. You know, long want a green card.
I tell black get the green card, I know you.
Nah, man, she know me. Look, man, she have me number. Me and her talk every day. Can't be that bad.
Tia, you know, if you set him up.
Yeah, Jesus Christ. You know what? May I come over this now? I come over this.
Tia, look him and set him up, please.
And then I go get me killed over here, so.